I'm going to show you guys today how to make your own website. It's very simple, it's very easy, it doesn't take very long at all to get started, and you don't need to know any programming languages and you don't need to know any coding at all. So really there's only three things that you need to get started. The first thing that you're going to need is going to be a hosting service. I use Bluehost and I've had no problems at all with them. What a hosting service is actually it provides a place for your website to be accessed by other computers. The next thing that you're going to need is going to be a domain name, and this is really self-explanatory. It's basically what is the name of your website, like Amazon.com, Google.com, whatever you want to make. As long as it hasn't been taken by someone else already, you can register that today. The next thing that you're going to need is going to be a website building platform. I use WordPress, and basically what this is, it's going to help you actually make the different pieces of your website that, like when you go to whatever yourdomain.com is, that page will show up. And we're going to use WordPress to build that today. So let's get started. Click on the link here, and that'll take you to the Bluehost website where we get started. So once you click on the Bluehost link, it'll take you to the Bluehost homepage right here. And if you see this green sign up now button right here, you can go ahead and click that. And that'll take you to the page where you enter a domain name. I'm going to go ahead and actually register a domain right now. I'm going to go with Simple Website Pro. Website Pro. Simple Website Pro. This is definitely important, as I just showed you right there. You definitely want to make sure you spell that right, because this is going to be what you're registering. They do have a money-back guarantee, but make sure the spelling is right within your domain when you're typing that out. You don't want to make any mistakes there. Go ahead and click Next. And if that website is available still, it'll say sign up, congratulations, and you'll see this page right here. If not, you have to go ahead and try a different name. I'm going to go ahead and enter in my contact information now. Down here though, this is where you actually pick out what plan that you want. I suggest if you're just getting started, go ahead and go with the 12-month price. You can cancel at any time. They have a money-back guarantee. I think that's pretty awesome. But at the same time, I'd like to give each website that I try out, that I make, give it a year. See what kind of traction it has. See if you maybe lose interest with it. I really like the 12-month plan. At $5.95 a month, that comes out to about $72. I go ahead and deselect these. This is the only other option that I would really recommend that you go with. It's a domain privacy. You can click on that this more information button right here, and that'll tell you a little more about it. But basically what that does is it allows you to have a website without your contact information tied to it. So I'm going to leave that checked. And then go ahead, enter your billing information, your credit card information, and then go ahead and click Next once you have all that filled out. And then once we've logged in, after we've created a password, this is what the home looks like. You're going to go ahead and you're going to click on cPanel button. And this basically, that's short for control panel. You're going to go to website builders. And we're going to click on this one right here for WordPress. It's going to take a couple seconds now. Just go through the information that we've uploaded. And then you're going to click right here where it says start a brand new install. I'm going to click on that. And then it's going to ask you to select the domain that you want to install that for. And at this point, you've only got one. So you're going to go ahead and select that domain that you want to install WordPress for. And click check domain. That takes a couple seconds there. Okay, it said that there's some kind of files there that exist, but actually we're just going to click this overwrite button. I'm going to go ahead and select that I've read the terms and conditions and click install now. And we can see down here it gives us the installing process. And this just takes a couple minutes here. Okay, now it's done loading. You can see the installation process is complete. And let's see here. Now I'm going to show you how to log into your website. It actually gave us the username and password right here. I'm going to go ahead and select and copy that password. And then once you have that set up, you're going to go to yourwebsite.com. In my case, this is simplewebsitepro.com/WP admin. And that's how you're going to log into your website. And it's going to show this page right here. You're going to enter your username and your password. And then click login. And this is the dashboard right here. And this is basically how you make any changes within your website. And as soon as you get there, you can click on this button in the top corner that says My Website/blog. And the WordPress basically automatically fills it in with this information here. But you can click that again and it'll take you right to your dashboard. And this is where you're going to change your entire website. This is where you're going to build it up. For example, you can go to Appearance, Header, and this is the main piece of your website here. You can change that image, you can upload new images. So this is what it looks like right here, right now on the front page. If I click, I like this one a little bit, if I click that button and then click Save Changes. Now we have this one with a little bit of blue here. And if I go back to my website to do the preview, we can see that that change has taken effect. And really, that's as simple as it is for building your website. And from here, there's all kinds of different things that you can do. If you want to create a new post, you can just go to Posts, and there's a button right here that says Add New. We're going to click on that. And just putting in some text here just for an example. And then over on this side, once I type that, I can click Publish. And then if we go to click this button again, that'll do a preview of the website. We can see my first post is right here. So I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks a lot. I'll have more follow-up videos with more how-to within the WordPress once you get to that site. Once you get to this stage, I should say. Thank you very much for watching.